వారి నమస్కారం చేసుకొని ఆ నరసింహస్వామి బాగా నమస్కారం చేసుకుని ఈరోజు బాగా లక్ష్యంగా
విష్ణుం జలంతం సర్వతోముఖ కుశింబే శరాభద్రం శరణ్యే త్ర్యంబకే దేవి నారాయణి నమోస్తుతే అశోకశ్చ మహ్యమావహ దేవతంజర్షో దిశా దీపం ప్రజ్వాల్గా
ఈరోజు ఈ యొక్క 2 కోర్టులు ఇనాగ్రేషన్ సందర్భంగా జ్యుడిషియరీ కానివ్వండి, అలాగే ప్రభుత్వం కానివ్వండి, పేరుకుంటూ పోతున్నటువంటి కేసుల్ని త్వరితగతిన పరిష్కరించి న్యాయం స్వతరంగా అందరికీ చేరేటట్టు ప్రయత్నాలు జరుపుతున్నాను. ఆ సందర్భంగా జిల్లా తరపు నుంచి ముఖ్యంగా ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్కి సంబంధించి ఏది కోర్టులకు కావాల్సినటువంటి ఏదైనా గ్యాప్స్ ఉన్నట్టయితే వాటిని డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ జడ్జి గారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో వారి సహకారంతో పూర్తి చేయడానికి మేమందరం కూడా సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నామని చెప్పేసి తెలియజేసుకుంటూ
request the board members to cooperate with the judicial officers to dispose good number of cases. I know that all of you are anxious to hear the message of our Honorable Administrative Judge Sir and Honorable Son of the Soil, so that I am thank you very much.
Here for inauguration of our Group 2 courts, the additional 8th additional district judge as well as the additional senior civil judge. In the pendency here in this court, because I expected that there will be a lot of pendency because of this area being a business area, particularly in Prathadur town. But it seems as the pendency is not much big in size as expected. However, with the efforts of the bar and with the efforts of my learned senior brother Justice Srinivas Reddy, we got 2 additional courts in addition to the courts working here. It's very happy to see that, and I must congratulate the bar first.
But the orders be reasonable orders, in sense like not reasonable order in sense you have to pass reasons why you have come to such a conclusion. This is most important thing in passing an orders. At least the litigant public will come to know, yes, because of these reasons I am not able to win the case or I have won the case. This has to be addressed to understood by the litigant public. And yesterday, in fact, in the informal chat, the president of the Bar Association and others, our senior advocates have come to me. I was given to understand there are about 70 lady advocates who are enrolled themselves are practicing at Prathadur Bar Association. I tell you, this is absolutely phenomenal. Words cannot express. The girls are coming forward to take up this profession. Is really great. I would like to tell you one thing, all of you, youngsters and girls were there. You prepare your brief perfectly. In sense like, don't go on reading the briefs number of times and all that. Read the brief with utmost attention once. after that, think of the brief. What are the probable questions that would crop up from the presiding officer, and what are the questions, the points that would rise from the opposite side? And don't worry, I think this is pertinent to mention here that don't think that the other side is a senior counsel and will be knowing more, no, nothing of that sort. If you are master of your brief, you would be winning the case. So prepare your brief so well, and if there is precedent to the argument or contention what you raise, submit those precedents. If at all, if there are no precedents you come across, develop your own jurisprudence. You have to come up with some logical thing so that the presiding officer will come to a conclusion, yes, what he says is true, or what he or she says is true. That should be the attitude. In fact,
Ma'am?